Welcome to question 3 of the 2018 Mathematical Methods Exam 1 for the Northern Hemisphere. In this video we will be looking at the solutions for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. So the first thing we need to do for this question is calculate the antiderivative, which for the first term, e to the power of x, simply antiderives to be e to the power of x. And then we're going to have subtract, and we're going to have 1 over negative 1, so that's where we divide by the coefficient of x. So that's still going to be multiplied by e to the power of negative x, and we're going to evaluate that between 0 and 1. But this can be simplified down a little bit further to be e to the power of x, and then subtract negative would be positive e to the power of negative x with the terminals of 0 and 1. And now to evaluate this, we're going to simply evaluate it at 1 and then subtract away the antiderivative evaluated at 0. So we'll have e to the power of 1 plus e to the power of negative 1, and then we're going to subtract away e to the power of 0 plus e to the power of negative 0, which is still just 0. And now simplifying that down, we'd have simply e, and then e to the power of negative 1 could be written as 1 over e if you wanted, and then e to the power of 0 is simply 1, and e to the power of 0 is simply 1, so that would be subtract 2 overall. So that is the value of this definite integral for this question.